Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is September 27, 2025, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's get into this and see what we're going to get here now. Been having a few issues with the computer and internet. I'm late, but all is well now. On the SPY, what we see, we're still above our yearly R1. We're still green. We're still looking good here on this quarterly chart. Let's go down to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, what we see here, we're still above the 9-10 moving average. That's what this blue line here is. We're still making higher highs and higher lows. We pulled back a little bit below that quarterly R1, which was kind of like wondering what was going to happen once we got there. We are below that at this time, but we're still looking good. Let's go down to this weekly chart and see what we see here. On this weekly chart, let's zoom in here a little bit. And what we see is a doji near the top. We're forming a bearish harami at this time. Not to get too concerned about it. We get some red candles in an uptrend. I remember I was saying that last week about something on the daily chart. And so I'm not too concerned about that at this time. It's just going to see what's going to happen this week. We're at the end of the week, end of the quarter, and these are monthly pivots though. And we're also at the end of the month. So we got to see what's going to happen here at this time. Will we get confirmation of this bearish looking pattern in the right location and actually get a rollover? And I don't think so. To tell you the truth, based on what's been going on in this market. We still had an all-time high this week but we got to wait and see. We do have a bearish pattern in the right location. So don't take this lightly. This market can give us a confirmation candle and turn over. When I say confirmation candle, that means we could get a candle that forms down here somewhere But I don't think it's going to happen. That's just me and my opinion based on what I've been seeing here lately. I won't play it to the downside. I'll just be pay attention to your trading plans and your trading strategies and trade accordingly. That's all I can say on that. But that's that. Let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and see what we see here. And on this daily chart, we did what I was kind of expecting. Number one, we was at a top. We was at a place where we was expecting, if you listen to my last week video, I was expecting this market to give us a rollover based on some of those things that we were seeing on the higher time frames. We gotten that. And the thing is, looking at what happened last week, this is why I'm saying I do not expect us to roll over. Look like we may have made a bottom. We already got higher lows on the daily picture. We already got higher lows and we got higher highs. We're going to be fighting to break all-time highs again come next week. But I already see right now, let me zoom in just a little bit, maybe make it a little bit bigger. We can see come next week, I'm seeing us look like we're going to open above this pivot line right here. And if that happens, I kind of expect for the rest of the week to go higher and make all-time highs come again next week. Wow. Let's just see what happens. That's just my opinion. Anything can happen. This can just be some profit taking and here at the end of the month, and this thing can roll over again and Again, we have to just kind of like wait and see what happens. But that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.